Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel report. Myself Ajay. Hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working demo, I'm going to show you how to make reusable component in Angular 14. So guys, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest Angular updates. So guys, here we go. So first on my screen, you can see Angular is working fine. And I have used Booster 5 to better looks. And guys, I made one component button for reusable. Now I will show you my code. So guys, very first, like all you know, I made one component and G space C space component name. And after that, I got this component button. And inside HTML file, button.component.html file, I added one button and very simple inside my app.component external file I call that button component. See, so with this I can reuse this button component into my other component file. So I can call this the component reusability, but I made it more functional like this. First, I made one attribute disable is equal to disable, and inside button.ts file, I added input decorator to share the data between component to make the component reusability more versatile. So guys, see disable attribute boolean type is equal to true, and I mark that as a input decorator to bind property. And same inside my output component.ts file, I came here. See guys, inside it, I again made one variable disable type boolean false, and inside HTML file, I did the same. Upload button component attribute disabled is equal to disabled, and then you can see showing here if I made it false or true, then it will be disabled. See guys, have you seen now? This is called the component reusability in Angular. See guys, enable disable with binding property with input decorator made it easy. See, I call the attribute or I made the attribute enter my button.component.html file, and now I can use the same inside my app.component.ts file with attribute with the component attribute. So have you seen it's working fine? And also, like always, I will share the course snippet link inside this video description. So guys, please get the code. And guys, after it, I will come with more demos as well. So guys, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.